Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell here to share the February Cafe card kit. So our card kit comes out every other month featuring a new collection, and you'll get paper, card bases, embellishments. Some of these things vary from month to month. This month we have a stamp, sometimes there's a die, just lots of options in the card kit, so be sure to check them out. This month our card kit features Pebbles All the Cake collection. So this is great to stock up on your birthday cards and have on hand to give friends and family. It's always a wonderful thing to receive a card in the mail or by hand. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything that you're going to get in this card kit. To start creating your cards, you're going to receive 6 pre-scored card bases and 6 envelopes. Now, of course, you can tell there's already more cardstock and plenty of paper to do even more than that, but you'll have the 6 to begin with. You're going to get a sheet of Blue Star cardstock and a sheet of Daffodil cardstock. This is from Simple Stories, and this is that wonderful cardstock that has the polka dots on one side, it's solid on the other, and it's a textured cardstock. You'll also receive 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 white cardstock, and this is really heavy, so this is heavy enough that you can cut in half and score and make card bases out of. And then, like I mentioned in the intro, the collection that we're featuring this month is All the Cake from Pebbles. So you're going to get half a pack of the 6 by 8 papers, so we'll go through these fairly quick. These are one-sided. This first sheet is cut apart, so we have all different sizes and these little banners. We have this that kind of reads as a polka dot, but it's little pom-poms in all of the different colors. We have bouquets of flowers in all of the different colors. Just look at the gorgeous, how bright and cheery those cards will be. We have a grid design. Again, it has all of the different colors mingled in together. We have a wide stripe. Then we have all of the party icons. So we have the blowers and the hats and banners and streamers. We have a cute little yellow heart on a pink background, little yellow smiley faces, a yellow and white diagonal stripe, a plaid. Again, they intermingle all of the different colors in that. A page of all the little streamers and confetti. Page of pink, which has a diagonal stripe in it. Page with all of the rainbows, and you're going to see a lot of these icons repeated in the embellishments. We have this plaid, aqua, and then a fun little page with giraffes and elephants and monkeys and unicorns, little puppies along with the gifts. You know, those bright, cheery daisy print on the blue. Polka dot in all of the different colors on that light blue. And then the last page we have here is another cut apart. So we have some little tags. This one says let's celebrate and happy birthday. So these would be great to put on the front of cards. You're also going to receive a stamp set. So this is the coordinating stamp set to this collection from Pebbles. There's 11 stamps in here. You've got some sentiments, the cake, balloons, a present, and then little pieces that you can scatter in. You're going to get a yard of twine. So this is navy and white twine. I'm not sure if those will be the same or different colors. I believe they'll be the same color. And then you're going to get some of the puffy dots, and these will vary. I love these. These are the matte ones, so they're not the shiny ones. They're the matte polka dots, little enamel dots. Okay, then all of the fun embellishments, and it is just loaded up. We have some big pieces. So this is a 1/4 a pack of the icon ephemera and a 1/4 a pack of the journaling ephemera. So the journaling is going to be these like this that you could stamp sentiments on to decorate on the front of the card, or you could use more of the die cuts kind of label over for the sentiments. And then these, of course, would be from the icon pack. You see all of those fun little animals, some of the candles, birthdays. Also, this pack has pieces that are vellum, so those tags are vellum. I'm going to lay these out pretty quick. This is another vellum piece. It's just gorgeous, and a little yellow star that's a vellum. So you can see you're going to get a lot, and several of these pieces are perforated, so you could leave it all together or cut it apart, punch it apart. Rainbow, another little vellum piece. Cakes, again, these are perforated, so you could use it as a border across the card or take them apart and just use one. So look at all the yummy, another vellum and a vellum cloud. So that's all the embellishments. So one more look at your February card kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store. There's also tons of individual items that you can check out and have shipped along with your kit. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.